Conversation.
The lunch hour.
John, where are you going now?
I'm going to the restaurant.
Are you going to the restaurant or to the dairy?
No, I'm not going to the dairy, but I'm going to the restaurant.
Why?
I'm going to the restaurant in order to have something to eat there. I'm hungry. Where is the VIP restaurant?
There it is, near the roundabout. Is it lunchtime?
Yes, it's the lunch hour.
Is the food ready?
Yes, it's ready. What do you need?
I need rice, chips, and beans.
Do you like chips?
Yes, I like a few chips.
And I like salads and a few vegetables too. What else do you need? Do you need something to drink?
Yes, I need some water.
Please give me a bottle of mineral water. Don't you like juice?
No, I don't like to drink juice at noon, but I like water.
How much is a bottle of Inyanja water?
It is 250 francs.
And how much is a plate of food?
It is 1,000 francs, meat exclusive. Do you remember to pay?
Yes, I remember to pay everything. Where's the cashier?
Here I am.
Cashier, I need you.
Where's the dessert?
Please come here.
I need an invoice and the balance.
Be quick. It's time to have a siesta.